welcome back to my channel. So this morning, while I was getting ready for the day, I got a very special delivery. Hang on. Box that I ordered from ThredUp came today, so I figured this is the perfect time to do an unboxing on my channel. My first unboxing, so yay! I appreciate you joining me for this historic event. And so yeah, let's get to the goodies. I left my letter opener over there. Hang on. Got it. Huzzah. All right. Let's get to it. Come on. Huzzah. Huzzah. Hello? Come on, letter. Wow. The angry people packed this. This is really sticky. Ow. I'm not bleeding. I'm fine. Seriously, this tape. This is really sticky tape. Okay. I think I got it. Okay. Nope. There's a little piece left. Come on, letter opener. Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god. Jeez, Lou. This time for sure. Okay. Whee! I love that they wrap it. It's so cute. Okay. Now, for those of you who don't know, ThredUp is an online thrift store. If you're unable to go to an actual brick and mortar thrift store or just unwilling to deal with the crowds and the chaos, this might be a good option. Okay. So up first, we have this blouse. And it is by Shein. Now, estimated retail value is $24. ThredUp had it for $9.99. And this is the front. This is the back. Thought the back was really interesting. And it's a lightweight material. It'll be a good addition to my summer wardrobe. If you're hearing any rustling, that would be Bilbo playing in the box that I just tossed aside. And pièce de résistance. This purse. This purse is by Aldo. Oof. That's a nice purse and good. The satchel strap is detachable. That's good because I much prefer to look like this. Gives it a bit more of a vintage vibe. And let's see. There we go. I'll play with the paper. Whoosh. What about you, Hufflepuff? Paper? Whoosh. Go get it. No? Maybe? Okay. Delayed reaction. The purse, like I said, is by Aldo. and estimated retail price was $75. ThredUp had it for $16.99. Now I have what I'm hoping are the perfect things to style these with. So yeah, let me, 1 second. Sorry, Bill. Here, you play with that. Okay. First up, these green capris. I have been looking and looking for a blouse that would work with these, and when I saw that blouse on Bilbo, sec. Sir, I kind of need this. Sir, hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. Bilbo. No, don't you look away. I need this. May I please have this? Will you be a good Gordon and let me have my clothes back? Why don't you play with your sister? Huffle, distract your brother. You goose. Okay, I got the blouse back. As I was saying, I have been looking and looking for a blouse or a top that would go with these pants, and when I saw this blouse, I knew I'd found the partner for these pants at last. Now, and it's just going to go perfectly with the purse. And in addition to that, I also have this belt, which I'm hoping will work with it. If not, it'll do for now until I get a belt that goes better with the outfit. And as a pièce de résistance, I have a choice of 2 shoes. Up first, I have these adorable little kitten heels. They are, who are they by? If memory serves, these are made by Journey. I got them at DSW, and they are just so cute. I love them so much. The cute little heels. So I have these as an option for shoes. I also have these wedged heeled sandals by Bellini. So I've got some choices. So without any further delay, I am going to go assemble this outfit, and I will be back to show you the end result. Okay, so overall final thoughts. In general, I'm happy. I like the fact that both pairs of shoes that I thought would work both in fact work, just depending on my mood. The belt works. I had not intended on using a cardigan originally, but upon tucking the shirt into the pants, I very quickly realized that the back, remember the back that I thought was just so interesting with the little split, it looked really weird when it was tucked into the pants. So, in order to cover up that weirdness, I had to add a cardigan. Now, which means I'm not going to be able to wear this outfit when summer really kicks off in Minnesota. Bilbo, must you? I'm going to need that shoebox later. Don't look at me like that. Oh, sir. 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 No. No, no, no. My shoebox. Sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh, right. I'm not going to be able to wear this ensemble as is. When summer truly kicks off here in Minnesota, because I don't know if you know this, but it gets painfully humid. Something about all of the thousands of lakes we have. I don't know. But yeah, this might be better suited for a spring ensemble, or maybe even early fall. Nah, spring. Or spring or early summer. But anything past that, just I will be swimming in body soup just with this light little cardigan. So I'll just have to be sure to wear this as often as I can during my limited window. Now, in regards to the purse, Bilbo, you can't have the purse. No. Why are you being such a problem today, sir? Cats, am I right? Anyway, okay, good boy, go to your basket. Yes. Earlier, I said that I was happy that the satchel strap detached. However, upon further inspection, I noticed that the handle is not as strong as it should be. Remember, the ThredUp is a thrift store, so you do run the risk of some damage, some wear and tear. So I still love the bag. It is adorable. I've been wanting a bag that was just strictly pink for a while now, because I have quite a few dresses wherein a straight up pink bag would just be the final touch that it needed. However, all of that being said, until I'm able to find somebody who can repair this damage, I don't want to cause any more stress on the material. So until that happens, I will be using it as a satchel. It still works. It still coordinates, and this way I'll have both my hands free if need be. I mean, sometimes, who hasn't? When you're shopping, sometimes you just need to hold both things that you're considering at the same time, so you can really, It's a little difficult when you're holding a purse sometimes. Because let's face it, you don't always have a cart because you trick yourself into thinking that you're going into the store for just one thing. Yeah, that doesn't always work out. Anyway, overall, I am happy with my purchase and how I was able to style it. And I encourage you to check out ThredUp if you're feeling curious. Just keep in mind it is a thrift store, so you are going to get stuff with wear and tear, but most of the time it's not really noticeable. So they're not going to accept clothing that's on its literal last legs. So I hope you enjoyed your time hanging out with me. I apologize for Bilbo's prima donna antics. He's feeling a little insecure because yesterday I played with a dog. So I came home smelling of dog and smelling of our friend's newborn baby that I was also cuddling into oblivion. So he's feeling a little insecure. So I'll be sure to give him plenty of snugs when I'm done with this. And that's it for now. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, it really helps me out. And if you're feeling especially generous, please consider becoming a patron on my Patreon page. I am going to be adding some stuff there that is member/patron exclusive. So yeah, you wouldn't want to miss out on the fun, would you? And I will see you next time. Bye.